I'll be telling you guys all that I know about this new Christu Jayanti's Airport Road campus. But it's still on construction. So make sure you watch till the end to see the construction video. Okay, let's start this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am Anamika and I'll be answering one of the most common question I get asked these days in my YouTube comment section. It's about the new Christu Jayanti Airport Road campus. So as you guys know, Christu Jayanti has just started a new campus near the airport road. Some of the courses are being shifted from this Christu Jayanti University to the new airport campus. So I'll be answering what are the questions you guys asked me in my comment section, because I've been telling you I've been working on this video for so long, but then unfortunately I was having exams, so I was preparing for that for 1 week and then I got fever. So that's what made me delay. So I'll be telling you guys all that I know about this new Christu Jayanti's Airport Road campus. So I'm making this video because a lot of people asked me about this new campus and they are requesting me about doing a college tour. But then I went and I checked if I can do that, but then they are not allowing it because it's still on construction. They are still building the college, but I will guarantee you guys, when I go to the campus, I will make a college tour. I mean, I'm giving you this promise that I'll be doing a campus tour. By that time, I'm like, people who asked me will be already there with me, but it will be helpful for the new people who's coming next year. Main thing is, even I am going to be shifted to the new Airport Road campus because I am a BBA management student. All the management studies will be shifted to the new campus. That's what I got to know. And I'm not sure which all courses are going to be conducted there, but then I know that my course is going to be shifted. All the BBA courses are going to be shifted. I am from BBA Professional Management. Professional Management and BBA Management Studies are going to be shifted to the new campus road. And the other thing that they asked me is to do the campus tour, which I can't do, but I'm telling you it's more bigger than Christu Jayanti University. That's what they told us. It's more bigger than Christu Jayanti University, and also there is more features in this new campus. And as I've not went inside and I have not experienced it personally, I can't assure you what all is going to be there. But by the things they told us, I feel like it's more bigger than this university right here. It's going to be in a different location, but it's going to be same as Christu Jayanti University. That's what they told us. But I can't tell you more because I've not went. And when is the classes going to start for this new campus road is July 20, which is actually my birthday. No one actually is happy about this shifting. So when the first day when we're going to that new campus, I feel like everyone will be like, "Ooh, what is this? I don't want to go. What is this? We didn't apply for that college," and all those stuff. Because we did not apply for that college, we did apply for this Christu Jayanti University. But then we are shifting there because all the management studies are going to be there. So we can't be staying here because they do need our teachers there. Like, they're shifting our teachers mainly. They're shifting all the management studies teachers so that if they go, we can't be staying here because no one's going to be teaching us over here. So we have to be moved there too because our teachers are going to be there. So that's why all the management studies are going to be there. And also Christu Jayanti University is like having a lot of admission this year. Like, a lot of people are enrolling now. A lot of people are applying for this college, and it's a very good achievement for our college. Like, a lot of people are coming to our college, and we should be proud about it because there is more than 30,000 people, I guess, in our college right now. So they are getting more seats. Like, more people are applying, more people are coming. So that's why they built a new campus near Airport Road, and that's why they're shifting us because there's not enough space for everyone to be here. And the other thing which they asked me is about how are we going to the new campus. Right now, they told us there will be bus provided because we are currently staying near this Christu Jayanti locality, and our parents did drop us here and take admission in PGs and hostels right here in this locality. So it's going to be very hard for us to shift to new places, and that too, it's like 1 hour or half an hour long from this place, so we can't be shifting our whole stuffs there. And also there is not enough hostels or PGs there right now, because it's like I can't tell, it's a desert area, but then it's like a place which is it's a silent area, like it's just developing. It's going to develop soon. Within like next 5 years, it's going to develop, because now there is nothing there, just the college. That's it. I don't know the timing and all, because they didn't tell the timing and all. And they just told us the first day, working day of this new campus will be on July 20. That's what I got to know. And transportation they will provide best from this campus to the new campus. That's what they told till now. And another major problem that we are going to face is about our mess, like our food. Right now, we have a lot of mess in this locality. So, when our classes get over, we can just come directly and eat our food and go PG or hostel. Or if you're having mess in your own PG or hostel, that will be like, that is what people are doing here. But then it's going to be very hard for us when we go to the new campus, that there are no messes there right now. So I don't know about the food thing. Like, I don't know what will happen to the lunch and breakfast and all, because they didn't say anything about that, and I didn't ask them also. I mean, I can't ask them, right? I'm going to be showing you the video which I took. It's like still construction is going on, so make sure you make sure you watch till the end to see the construction video. I went there twice, like one last month before the exams. That time I thought I'll post this video, but then I was busy with exams and I had fever. And one recently, but then I think there's no much changes. If I have more information, I'll let you guys know. I'm just doing this video for an information for like people who are asking me. I'm very concerned about it. Like, I am concerned like you guys too, because even I am shifting. But then I'm telling you guys that it won't be bad, I hope. So guys, this is what I got to know till now. Like, the transportation, they will be providing best, and which is going to be for free. Like, they told us it's going to be free, and if it's going to be paid, I think we are going to make a problem about it, because we were not ready to change to the new college. So they've told us till now that it's going to be free. And I don't know about the mess and all. I don't know about the food things and all, because they didn't let us know. I think they're going to provide, but if they tell us to buy from canteen, it's going to be very expensive. Or maybe they will reduce the cost in foods. I mean, in the canteen, they'll reduce the cost of the foods in the canteen, I guess. I don't know. I mean, they should consider it, no? Because we were not agreeing to this shifting and all. Timings, I don't know yet. But if I get to know more, I'll be doing another video about this, because I want to help you guys. I know how you guys feel. I know how struggling it is, because even I came to this college because I saw this university right here. I was not ready to go to the new campus. I didn't even know it existed till like they came and told like one day, like, we're going to be shifted. I'm like, there's a new college? Wow, where? I didn't know. So I know how you guys feel too. But then we can just hope it's going to be for the best and for the better. So until then, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was a useful and informative video. And if I did tell anything wrong about the information, I'll be commenting down, or I'll be giving in the description. Please make sure you check in description or something. Until then, bye bye, take care. Yeah, you can comment down, guys. You can comment down. I'll be answering to everyone. I'm actually answering to everyone. Whenever I see new messages and all, I answer. And if I don't answer to some of you guys, I do answer to a lot of you guys in my Instagram too. Like, whenever I'm always active, like, where somewhere or the other, I'm always active. So I always reply to you guys. If I am online, I do reply so fast. And if I don't reply to any of you guys, that means I don't know the answer to the question you just asked. So yeah, I'm sorry to those people. So much people are asking me about so many courses like biotechnology and all. I have no contact with science blog, guys. I don't know anything about science blog. I know their timing though. Their timings are from 9, but ours starts at 8. That's all I know. and their block, obviously. But then I don't know so much about what is happening in the science block because I am a management student and I'm like in another block. So I don't know much what's happening in the humanities block or science block, and PG block also I have no idea. Some people are like, ask your friends who are in science block or PG block, humanities block. I don't have much contact. I mean, I don't have any, like, I don't know so much people. I don't interact so much nowadays. I am like so shy. Okay, guys, I'm very shy. If you see me like, not minding you, even if you smile at me, it's not because I am like having any problem. Like, I'm not angry or I'm not having this ego. Like, oh shit, I'm so famous now. I'm very shy, so I don't know anything about other departments, and I don't have any other department friends. I only have like 5 best friends from this college. I don't know anyone. I don't know about anyone else and any other department. Okay, until then, bye bye. See, I'm just gonna leave.